we go. So we're going to do the unboxing. Since it's nighttime and everyone's sleeping, it's the perfect time for it. So welcome to my retro game treasure unboxing. Right there. If you want to get a subscription, there's 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or a year. And you'll have to calculate it in your own country's currency because they're in USD, which mine is Canadian dollars. There's all kinds of systems except PS5, 2DS, Switch, and WiiU. I don't know about the others. There's all kinds of themes and types, like racing, WWE, anime, Disney. I struggled there for a second. Fantasy, adventure, strategy, and sports. Then you have the wish list in case you want to get a bigger chance of getting your games that you really want. Because they're a mystery box. Cat's sleeping over there. Hi, Nugget. Games you have. So you can have like a checklist of all the games you have. So you don't get doubles. And I chose... I don't even know at this point. 1 second. There we go. I was going to go on to open the unboxing. But then my brother drank this and he wanted me to show you this. Spyro. That's pretty cool. Before we threw it out, I wanted to show you guys Spyro energy drinks. So we'll be opening the box. So we'll take these out. Air bubbles. Another one. There we go. This one feels like PSOne. What is that? I can't even read it. What about the back? Oh, it'd be like this. Looks like Resident Evil. Quake 2. Feels different too. 1 second, we're gonna open this up. You know what? We'll do that at the end. There's a CD. Yeah, this is gonna be the last unboxing. This should be January. So this goes into February, all these games. March is going to be more of a catch up on games I missed. Not missed, but didn't have time to release. Does that say Division? It does. That looks fun. I heard about this one. Yeah, the CD fell out. Oops. Division. I've heard of that. That's a big CD. Not a big CD case. So PS2 or Gamecube? PS2. Oh. Future Tactics. I think my friend got that last Christmas. What's the game look like? Looks like it'd be a tower defense. Upgrade weapons. Well, they have healer, shield, and rest mode. So it looks kind of like Warcraft. Or dungeon characters. Could be a battle mode. Could be a tower defense. I'm anxious to try it out. Is that it? 3. There you go. Yeah, I wanted to check out Quake. Well, there we go. Came out easy. Deathmatch? Team deathmatch? Oh! Is this gonna be like Doom? Wait, what's the case look like the... I think it's the booklet that's too thick to... Okay, there we go. Yeah, it kind of looks like Doom. And Division, that looks like an army game. An open world. Huh. By Tom Clancy. I'm excited to try those games. We're 5 minutes in. Yeah, I wanted to show this too on the video. The energy drink of Spyro. Fuel. So cool. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ding the bell if you enjoyed this video. You'll be notified for when the next ones come out. What else do I wanted to say? Hope you be safe. So next one's gonna come out not February but March, at the end of March. That's when I'm gonna open another one. So cool. Just so I could catch up on a bunch of games. I think I'm gonna start that probably every 3 months. 3 or 4 months. We'll do that. If there's games that don't need we're all caught up within the 3 months, then we'll do 4 months. Just to be safe. And hope you be safe. And see you in the next one.